Cloud engineering typically refers to the work related to building and maintaining cloud infrastructure. So what that means is, where people move their stuff to the cloud. Okay. Turn on the news or look at articles without hearing about it. Everyone's moving to the cloud, everyone's moving to the cloud. But some people still need their own personalized servers. So cloud engineering will refer to the process by which the servers that exist on various cloud platforms out there, right? Things like Microsoft Azure, Amazon's AWS, Google Cloud, how those servers actually get configured and are set up so that these platforms that used to exist locally at customers' internal sites and data centers on physical servers, well, now that infrastructure exists in the cloud at these big cloud hosting providers, also on servers. But as a cloud engineer or in the process of cloud engineering, you never actually see the servers. You just gain access to those virtual instances. You set them up for your company's use, and they put their applications on there so that everything can kind of work the same way it did when you had physical servers. But now that task of maintaining the infrastructure is in the hands of those large providers. And all you have to do is make sure your applications are set up properly.